Ever wanted to create professional looking dashboards using Excel but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. I will show you how to create some great looking Excel dashboards and turn you from a Joe to a pro. My name is Abdurrahman Abdu and I'll be helping you learn how to create dashboards using Excel. And you know what? I've learned a lot in Excel the same way you're about to learn on my course, by watching video tutorials. Together, we will walk step by step through creating dashboards. We will start by learning functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match, offset, and many others. You will also learn how to create dynamic ranges and add interactivity to your dashboards using form controls, slicers, and other objects. Finally, I'll be walking you through a completely built dashboard. Also, you'll be continuously getting added value from this course through regular video updates, and I'll be available to answer your questions. And if you're not happy, you can always get a refund within 30 days. No questions asked. What are you waiting for? Join me now and take your career to the next level by learning how to create Excel dashboards.